Got a little wax on it. Found a use for this. And turned it into a little 5-frame nuke by closing those off. Can't see that one. Yep. I think if I close that one off too, I could turn it into 3 little nuke boxes. They're like queen mating and stuff. Alright. The Hex Hive now has bees in it. Smacked a couple frames of bees into the Hex Hive. They are now queenless. They're now reorienting because I moved them from the BEW Bees apiary down here to the house. And right now they're all flying around doing their little figure eight saying, "Where are we? What the heck happened?" So tomorrow I shall place one of the new queens in there. And we shall see where it goes from there. I mean, it's quite a nice little hive. I've got a second deep going for it. Well, I wouldn't even call it a deep. I'd say it's a second frame box. I mean, I guess that's all you'd call it, because you couldn't call it like a deep or a super, because they're the same size and all the frames are the same size. So, yeah, my little front door that I designed for this, it actually opens and closes. Yeah, it works pretty good. I like it. I opened it up and it came out. I'm going to wait until tonight to flip it around to reduction. So yeah, I like this little hive. It's kind of nice. I think I'm going to make some more of these depending on how well this does. I want to get some brood minder sensors, or at least one of them, put them in here. See what the temperature's doing. Oh yeah. They'll adjust. Give it a couple hours. Alright, this is something I'm proud of. If you will look, I have some bees in the Hex Hive. 3D printed. I have a queen in it that I introduced yesterday. They're starting to build some comb on the comb that I put in there. So hopefully they'll establish themselves. And yeah, maybe they'll do a little bit of growing. Although it is, mid-August. They've still got a little time. Alright, this is the newest edition. It's the wax melter. And go figure, the one day that I actually get it up and running, and you can see, it's got a little bit of wax in there, right? Like a little bit. I mean, it's melted a tiny bit. It hasn't gone down into the drain yet, because nothing's really been saturated, because look at this. I have a week of this to look forward to. Ugh. Go figure. If you want cold and rain, make something dependent on the sun.